Hello team, today's challenge is odd words, where we're given a string and we need to return all the words whose length is odd. So if it has 4 letters, that's even. If it has 1, that's odd, so on, etc. down the line. We just return the ones that have an odd length, okay? Over here in the code, we can clean this up a little bit because I hate that space, and doing stuff, okay? Splitting, what are we splitting on? Well, I'm going to split on any spaces. In fact, I want to split on any number of spaces. This is something that I routinely do because I don't know if they'll add extra space in there, and I don't want to worry about it. So I always add that plus sign just to be sure, okay? Down here, we are going to filter. So filter on the word, and this is where we do the word dot length modulo 2, just like this, make it equal to 1. Brilliant. And then, of course, join it up. So joining on a space, okay? And that works. It gets it done. It's very fast, very efficient. Even in testing, it was pretty fast. If you wanted to make it a little bit faster, you absolutely can. We can grab this, come down here, paste it in, and instead of the filter, we use a reduce, okay? So inside of this reduce, we're going to get that accumulator, the current, and kick it through just like this. And here we are going to build out a string, which saves us having to do that join. Okay, we no longer have to do the join, which anytime we can save a step going through a method, that's how we get it faster. Okay. Now there is a catch here where we do need to worry about if we might accidentally put a space on the beginning or the end. We don't want to do that. So we go space, just like this, and we check the accumulator, okay? So if accumulator equals an empty string, okay, we return an empty string. Otherwise, we start adding our spaces. So wherever we're starting, if we're at the very start, if it's still empty, then leave it empty. If we've already added stuff to the accumulator, then we can start adding spaces. That's the way that this works, okay? And then, of course, down here, we return, and this is where we do that word.length, so we can just copy this straight in, except changing word to current, right? Current. And down here, if it's that way, then we go accumulator plus space plus current, right? Otherwise, we send the accumulator. We always return something, and that works. At this point, we can go and clean some of this up, just like this. Excellent, okay? So 2 quick solutions. I think they're both pretty solid and fairly fast. I mean, if you wanted to be truly fast, you'd probably use some sort of a standard loop, right? But for today's solution, these get it done, right? Did you like them? Did you hate them? Did you find a different way? Share that all in my comments. Otherwise, today this has been Odd Words, and I will see you tomorrow.